We'll guide you through how to use the ClickUp Calendar. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your ClickUp account on your desktop and make sure you're on the home screen. Look at the left sidebar, and you'll see an option that says Calendar. Click on it to open your calendar view. The ClickUp Calendar is a powerful tool that lets you see all your tasks and projects in a timeline format. You can easily switch between different views like day, week, or month by clicking on the view buttons at the top of the calendar. To add a task directly to your calendar, click on the plus icon located on the date you want the task to start. This will open a new task window where you can enter all the details such as the task name, description, due date, and any other relevant information. You can also assign the task to a specific team member by using the assignee field. Once you have filled in the details, click Save, and your task will appear on the calendar. If you need to edit a task, just click on it, and you can change the details or delete it if necessary. You can also drag and drop tasks to different dates if you need to reschedule them. To filter your calendar view, use the filter options at the top right to show tasks by status, priority, or assignee. This helps in managing your workload efficiently. Don't forget to use the sync option if you want to integrate your ClickUp Calendar with other calendar apps like Google Calendar or Outlook. This means you'll have all your tasks and meetings in one place, making it easier to stay organized. Remember, the ClickUp Calendar is not just for tasks but also for planning meetings and tracking deadlines. It's a great way to visualize your workload and ensure you stay on top of all your projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.